everybody, my name is Louisa. I am a local realtor in Seattle and Bellevue, Washington. I am also an active investor in the stock market. I'm always looking to invest in real estate, and I'll be posting a series of videos about real estate investments. But before we start talking about investing in real estate, I really want you to think about why it is so important for you to invest your money. If you're not born in a baby trust, you have to sell your time in order to make a living. That's what we call a job. The problem is that your time is limited, and so will be your money. So you will probably be selling 8 to 12 hours of your day in order to make a living. But if you spend all the money that you got from selling that time, you have to spend all the time again to make all the money again. And if you spend it all, then you will be back to zero every time. Investing is basically using your money in order to make more money so you can buy time in the future and you don't have to work forever. I want to give you an example of how you could be investing your money. Let's say that in 1 year you spend $50 in 3 pairs of shoes, and instead of buying 3 pairs of shoes in that year, spending a total of $150, you could use that money to buy stocks that are for $130, and then with the remaining money you could buy a pair of shoes. The dividends and appreciation of the stocks will be protecting your money against inflation. This example of investing $130 in a year in the stock market will not make you rich, but you have to start somewhere. Investing is thinking of the long term. I think that I do very well with my money because I understand very well what money means to me. And money to me has all to do with love. And when I have money, I can show people how much I love them. I can buy gifts to people and I can give people experience. And that is how I show them that I love them. So for me, it's very important to have money because that means that I will be able to love people more. And if you're struggling with your money, you should really try to understand, what does money mean to you? Is it love? Is it security? What is money for you? And that will definitely help you to understand what kind of investments you want to be doing. Because I know that love is more important than new clothes at TJ Maxx, I am able to say no for those temptations, and I focus on the long term. Let in the comments below, what does investing and money mean to you? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to be happy.